Dear students, previous video I have given the answers of 1 to 18 lesson 1. So today I will give you the answers from 19 to 27. You have to open page 22. The questions are in page 22. If you are getting the answers from the book, also you can write in your own words, but the answers should be correct. And I am giving the answers now. So you read all the answers properly and try to write in a notebook. Remember all the answers. If there is any doubt, you can ask me whenever you will come to school. Okay, now we'll start. You see, page 22, question 19. So, what was the provision of the General Service Enlistment Act, which was resented by the Indian soldiers? Why was it resented? Answer. Point 1. The provision of the Act stipulated that they could be sent overseas on duty. Then point 2. Crushing the sea was against the Hindu belief and was a taboo. Then question number 20. Mention any two grievances harbored by the Indian soldiers which created an atmosphere favorable to the first war of independence. Answer. Point 1. The Indian soldiers were paid low salaries, were ill paid and badly housed. Point 2. They were not allowed to wear caste or sectarian marks, bears or turbans. Then question 21. State two effects of the defeat of the British in the first Afghan war and the Punjab wars on the Indian soldiers. Point 1. Boosted the moral of Indian soldiers. Point 2. Filled them with the confidence that the British were not invincible and would be defeated and could be defeated by the Indian army. Then question number 22. What was the immediate cause of the first war of independence? So you know the immediate cause, it was introduction of Enfield rifle. Point 1. It was alleged that its cartridges were greased with the fat of cow or pig and required biting off the top of the greased paper with teeth. Then point 2. It was seen as an attempt to defile the religions because cow is sacred to Hindus and the pig is a taboo for Muslims. Then question 23. Who was Mangal Pandey? What did he do? Answer. Mangal Pandey was a Brahmin sepoy of the 34th Native Infantry who led an attack on the adjutant of 34th Native Infantry at Barakpur in protest against the greased cartridge. Then question number 24. State two consequences of the first war of Indian independence on the East India Company. Point 1. Ended the rule of the East India Company. Point 2. Placed India under the direct rule of the British government. Then question number 25. How was the army organized after the First War of Independence? Answer. Point 1. You can write any point from the book also. I have given 2 points, 2 different points. Point 1. The strength of the Indian troops was reduced and the strength of the British troops in India was increased. Then point 2. Indian soldiers were replaced by European at key geographical and military position. So you know, according to the mark you have to write 2 points. So I have given here 2 points. Now question number 26. What impact did the uprising of 1857 have on the Mughal rule and Peshwaship? So you can write abolition of Peshwaship and end of the Mughal rule. And you can write Peshwaship and Mughal rule has came to an end. It came to an end, you can write. So end of the Mughal rule and Peshwaship will be the answer. Then question number 27. Mention any 2 drawbacks of the First War of Independence. So you can write any 2 drawbacks. Point 1. The movement lacked planning, organization and centralized leadership. Point 2. The uprising began before the fixed date with disrupted the whole movement. So you can write any other points also, it is given in your book, drawbacks. From there you can write any other points which will be easier for you. So you got all the answers of lesson 1 history. You can read and you can write. If there is any doubt, I can clarify your doubts whenever you will come to school. Okay? Read everything. Thank you.